Once you've created an account, you can get instant quotes with just a few clicks. Start by clicking the Start New Quote button on the main menu located on the left. Once you've done this, click the Add Model button. A pop-up box will appear allowing you to select your files from your computer. You may open multiple files at once to make the process even quicker. Please allow the autocoder a few seconds to analyze and upload your files. Our system will identify any issues with the file that can later be reviewed by the Proto 3000 team. The larger the files, the more time this may take. Once the uploading is complete, you will be able to adjust your print settings. Before changing any settings, make sure that you have the specific part selected by clicking the preview image below. You can then adjust the unit of measurement, increase the quantity, and use the Tech drop-down menu to select which 3D printing process you'd like to use, followed by the material specific to that process and color you'd like your parts printed in. On the right side, you will be able to adjust the orientation of your selected part. The default setting is Optimal Build, which will print the quickest and with the least amount of support structures. You can click the drop-down menu to change to a specific orientation you may require for strength or surface finish, as well as minimum Z to orient the part with the lowest possible Z-axis measurement. Depending on the process and material, you may be able to select which surface finish you would like as well. Once your settings have been adjusted to your liking, check your cost by clicking Update Quote at the bottom. Depending on your file and the settings you have selected, you may be prompted with Manual Quote option. If you choose to proceed, you can click the Get Manual Quote button, and this will allow our highly trained team to inspect your part and provide you with the optimal solution. Once this has all been completed, you can continue with your order. In the next video, we'll be going over the price breakdown of your parts as well as completing your order.